Looking for a cheap web hosting deal in 2026? Before you spend money on BigRock, here's something you should know. Right now, BigRock is offering discounts of up to 98% on domains, up to 90% off on hosting plans, and in many cases, you can even get a free domain for 1 year. The best part? You don't need to enter any coupon code manually. The discount is automatically applied through the special link in the description. Let's see if this deal is actually worth it. BigRock's current sale includes discounts across multiple products. If you're looking for shared hosting, plans currently start from around 69 rupees per month. Need a domain name? Selected domain extensions are available at heavily discounted prices, with some offers starting from just a few rupees for the first year. You can also find deals on cloud hosting, reseller hosting, and hosting bundles that include a free domain and SSL certificate. So whether you're starting a blog, business website, portfolio, or online store, there are offers available for different budgets. BigRock is mainly suitable for beginners and website owners looking for affordable hosting. If you're launching your first website, blog, or local business site and don't want to spend a lot upfront, BigRock can be a reasonable starting point. Some notable features include SSD Storage, free SSL certificates, email hosting, daily backups on selected plans, Cloudflare CDN Integration, and a user-friendly control panel. Plus, most plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now let's go through the process. Step 1. Open the BigRock discount link provided in the description. Step 2. Browse the available hosting plans and choose the one that matches your requirements. Pay attention to factors like the number of websites you want to host, storage space, bandwidth, and included features. Step 3. Click on Buy Now to continue. You'll then be taken to the domain selection page where you can either register a new domain or use an existing one. Step 4. Select your preferred billing cycle, server location, and any optional add-ons you may need. Step 5. Proceed to checkout and review the final pricing. The promotional discount should already be applied automatically, so there's no need to enter a separate coupon code. Complete the payment and your hosting account will be activated. One important tip: if your goal is to maximize savings, consider choosing a longer billing cycle. BigRock usually provides better discounts on longer-term plans compared to shorter subscriptions. Also, if you want a free domain, make sure you're selecting an eligible hosting plan because the starter plan doesn't include one. If you want to check the latest BigRock offers, you'll find the discounted link in the description below. And if you enjoy hosting deals, blogging tutorials, SEO tips, and affiliate marketing content, don't forget to subscribe to BloggersPassion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.